Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Talk Supplements Digestion. Before we get started, I just want to say hey, and I'd like to hear and see who's here. So down in the comments in the class, if you would please post your name. Well, we'll see your name, but post who you are and where you're from, maybe why you think you wanted to learn more about digestion, all right? So before I get into the class itself, I just want to talk a little bit about why I'm doing the classes the way that I'm doing them. And the reason why I'm not doing just one long video that is talking about all the products in that one video is that video probably would last like 30 or 40 minutes, and the product that you might be interested in might be right in the middle. So what I'm doing instead is I'm doing short videos about single products. There'll be one group of products that we do, and we're going to do them like that, so that way you can, if you have very limited time, you can get the information that you're looking for and the information that you need without having to sit through the whole class. I hope you stay for the whole class, but I do want to be conscious of your time. So we're doing them in short, quick videos. That way you would know it's not going to be a big time cruncher for you or time snatcher for you. So let's talk about why digestion is so important. So my kids have had brain issues. My oldest son has epilepsy and he has autism. And one of the things that we learned a long time ago when he was very small, he's 25 now, when he was very small, is that there's a connection between the gut and the brain. That's when I first started learning about the connection between the gut and the rest of the body. And what I've learned since then is that really good health really begins in the gut. Stress, toxins, overeating, all of these things can start to irritate the gastrointestinal system. So the things that we're going to talk about today are going to help your body function optimally. All right, so we're going to get started with that. And then I just wanted to add also, once again, I took lots of notes, did lots of research, which I'll be referring to while I'm doing the class. So my places that I did my research, I did look in the Young Living catalog, 2018 catalog. You need to get one if you haven't gotten one. And my essential oil desk reference, which I think it was Blenda who noticed there was a nice little bite mark in it. Thank you, Buddy. Even Buddy likes to learn all about essential oils. You really need to get one of these if you haven't. It is even better. The pocket reference is good. It's great, but this is better. This is worth every penny. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to point out, I don't know if you can see this right here. That's my little project going on right now. I have been soaking my essential oil bottles and pulling off the labels. I have bins and bins and bins and bins of empty bottles, and soaking them and pulling them off. And so those are some of the empty bottles that we have already taken the labels off. So I can use those for samples or for other things. I did just have someone buy some Ortho Ease, and she added some Aroma C's to it, but in order to get the Aroma C's into the bottle, she needed a place to put it. So I gave her one of those bottles that she can empty out some of the Ortho Ease into. And then also she used another empty bottle to put the whole concoction in to make it portable. So you can use those bottles for like so many things, giving samples and what have you, but that's what that is. And I'm soaking the lids and everything, so everything will be good as new. And then just to let you know, I also use the water that comes out of those, not with paper and everything in it, but like I initially soak them and take that water and I use it in my diffusers. It's a great scent because it's like a little bit of everything. So, all right, so that's it. See you in about a minute with our next slide. Okay.